All right. Good morning. Here it is, March the 3rd, 2021. Everybody should have that $300 on that Nadex account today, March the 23rd, 2021. The reason why I say that, $300 should be on your account today because I need you to do 3 trades. You see? You're doing 3 trades and you're buying it. You're buying 3 trades at $90 to $94 on the offer. Okay? So we're not calling this fast money. We call this slow money. But it's still money, meaning profit. So what I'm telling you is I'm saying you're buying it at $94. Okay? So it's gonna cost you $94. But you stand to make $6. Oh, but yeah, let me cut the chase. You buying it at 94. It's gonna cost you 95 because it costs you $1 to get in and $1 to get out. So let's just say you're buying it at $95. So you're making $5, which is gonna be the case. But 5 times 3 is 15. I know it don't look like much right now, but trust me, at the end of that hour, and after your 3rd trade, you would have $45 profit. That's per hour. It don't sound like much, do it? $45 per hour. Think about you working right now. You ain't making $45 an hour. Let's think about that. You're talking about just to cover someone's bid for $94 3 times. Talking about $284. That's what I'm gonna pay. $284. I'm paying $284 to make that done. Make that $15 every 17 minutes. Let's say it like that. Every 17 minutes. I'll pay the $284. You know what I mean? But sometimes you could get it at 90, which will cost you 91. Or sometimes you get it at 89, which will cost you 90. So each time you make it, you make more. You don't make less, you see? It's all profit. But it's got to be done the last 4 minutes, last 3 minutes of the trade. And you got to be at least 30 to 50 points away from the strike where you're coming in at. Hey, F, what's happening? So you're making it in now. Slow motion? That's, I ain't talking today. I'm going slow motion. Okay, so you see what I'm dealing with. So we're talking about it. We're going to trade it up. Trade it up. Let's do this. So you're saying 45 times 2 is 90. So you got 90, 180, 360. It's 360. 450. That's $450 a day. That's $450 a day. Using my system, it's $450 a day. That's per day. That's using my system. So that means at the end of the day, your 300 is now 750. Or maybe more, depending on how where you came in at with the last 3 minutes. And that index being 30 to 50 points away from the strike. Strike being where you came in at. And we're doing Wall Street. So that's $450 a day. 900 every 2 days. 900 every 2 days. 1,800 every 4 days. It's $2,700 per week. $2,700 per week. You guys are catching up with me now. $2,700 per week. That's your profit. So we're gonna make $2,700 per week, and we happy. I'm happy anyway. I'm so happy. Right now. That's $10,800 per month. You can cut to the chase, do the math, for over $100,000 a year. Just for that little 15 hours, sorry, every 20 minutes. I like you guys. I'm sharing it with you guys. Y'all can live with me? That's $10,800 per month. You know, you just get $10,800 per month and pay off all your creditors, all your bills for the year. You make a straight profit. You're not even paying a bill for the month, for the year. All you do is make a straight profit, including your paycheck. This is beautiful. I love it. So we're talking about straight profit. That's me reading the work law. And this is what every morning. Right? Every morning you got punch in. Every morning you punch in. See? Now $10,800 a month. Do you think you'll be punching in every morning for long? Come on, people, do the math. Talking about for that 15. But you have to be disciplined. Don't think it's no great science here, because it's not. There's no great science. Okay? You don't have any special powers, no special gifts. Okay? Nothing's going to come to you without the risk. You got to take that risk. You're going to risk it, or you're not going to risk it. But you're going to get paid, or you're not going to get paid. It's going to be simple as that. There's no gray area. I don't have a gray area. There's a plus or a minus. So for that 300, either you can risk it or you can't. It's up to you. If you risk it, you risk it. If you don't, you don't. I recommend you risk it. Y'all with me. And we're gonna do that $450 a day. That's per day. Per day. I want it. I want it. Now the question is, okay, how do I do it? How long have I been doing it? Well, not very long. Whereas I've been trading on the Nadex platform for 4 years. And I've been doing different strategies on the Nadex platform. Some years I've made 30,000. Some years I've made 35,000. One year I only made 9,000. But guess what? It's still profit. But in all my trading time, what I notice is at a certain point in the trade, before that time is up on that trade, that I notice that the offers get real high and the bids get real low. That's the buying and the selling. That's what I've noticed. And I noticed the ticker don't tick so fast or so slow, but I try to maintain a constant level as not to exceed a certain point based on what bids and offers are coming in, I guess. But like I say, I'm trading up. So I'm trading up. A lot of folks lose money. So a lot of folks make money. It works both ways. But what I'm telling you again is, to every trade, there's a risk to reward. Risk is you could lose. Reward is you could win. So let's talk about the three functions of a trade when you're dealing with money. First function is at the money. At the money, meaning that the trade started at 1 and the index is at 1. You're already at the money. In the money means that the trade started at 1 and the index is at, I'm gonna say 7. You 7 points in the money. Now let's say out the money. Out the money. Let's say the trade started at 1 and Index is reading a -2. You're out the money by 2 points. 3 points, really, because you gotta get the 0 too. Gotta count that 0. I'm trying to put you guys in the money. So if y'all trade with me, you're gonna make $15. We'll make that $15 times 3 per hour. It's $45 an hour. I'm showing you guys how to trade. Y'all learning. We're gonna make $450 a day. Yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, fellas. $450 a day.
You're rich.
No, not rich yet. We'll be rich probably in 2 years. In 2 years' time, we should have close to 2 million, maybe 3 million cash. That's after taxes. We ain't do it yet. We're still punching the clock right now. We're still punching the clock. See, we're still punching that clock. We're working hard here. We work hard. When you punch that clock, we're working hard. We punch that clock, we work hard. How big it is? Can't you, baby? So we're working hard right now. So we run our own company next. So that's the plan. As you can see, I'm going place to place showing you how we work around here. We get it in. We work. These guys are turning the house over now. So that's fine. So I had to supplement my income. So that $15 every 20 minutes, which is $45 an hour, because 20 goes into 63 times. So you don't do that. The possibility is there, it's slim. The probability is slim. So the possibility is slim. The probability is slim. So it's a very slim chance of me losing. Very slim. But you can still lose. Don't forget, you can lose. Alfredo, he in your van, man. He in your van.
Oh, that's Wilmer.
Oh, that's Wilmer. Okay. I ain't see his face. I ain't see him get out the van. Okay. Yeah, Wilmer. Okay. Yeah, you okay? Yeah, don't rob out my boy. Don't rob him. Yeah, don't rob him. Yeah, so it's okay. That was Wilmer. We all right. These guys getting it in. Big Money Wilmer, you getting it in? I'm getting it in, man. I'm live streaming, baby. Tell them how to work around here. Making that money. Talking about making money. These guys work hard too, you know. But I'm gonna get mine. You can come with me or you can go against me. I don't care. Let me start making $450 a day. What's gonna happen? Start making $450 a day. That's gonna happen. Push them 6 hours. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'm gonna do it, man. I make that $450 a day, baby. I ain't playing around. $450 a day plus salary. So that's gonna be the plan. $450 a day plus the salary. Teflon. This is that problem. Talking about the water. You got to pack it.
Huh?
Yeah, Teflon on that thread, on that tailpiece.
Oh yeah?
It's called a tailpipe. Yeah, he right.
Yeah.
They know that stuff. He said never put the Teflon on it. So yeah, he told the truth. But look, let's keep walking. So you see, we working. We work. We get it in. But I'm about to start making $450 a day. What's up? You good? You good? You good? I'm about to make that $450 a day. That's what's up. By where we do you?
I don't know what I did something, Alfredo. I don't know what the name.
It's the tailpiece?
Yeah.
On the drain?
Yeah, the drain.
Let me see what's happening. What happened? What happened? Oh, okay. The basket strainer.
This one?
Yeah, the basket strainer.
Yeah, basket strainer and
What's wrong with it? Rusted a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with this basket strainer. Take it. With a putty. You need some putty?
yeah.
Yeah, you need some putty. You need some putty for that basket strainer.
This too?
Oh, air gap.
Yeah.
Air gap.
Yes, this is the one.
Still leaking?
Yeah, this is the.
All right, don't. Yeah, you're done. You're all right.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. You good man? Pile up on
Yeah,
that.
leave
Yeah,
it there on
that's
the
right.
next to the
Catch it
six
and
pack.
dump it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we
So you want an
can-
air gap
Yeah, yeah.
and a basket strainer?
Yeah, basket strainer.
You got some putty?
Yeah, high five.
Yeah, okay, okay. I'll get it for you. Ain't no problem, bro. I'm trying to make that 450 a day, bro. I'm gonna start making 450 a day. Huh? Next Monday. I'm gonna start making 450 a day.
Huh?
Next Monday, I'm gonna start making 450 a day.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna trade up, bro. Trade up.
I need more money.
Right. Not once I start making that, I'm gonna count it slow. I'm gonna still be working, but I count it slow, you know. Yeah. So I'm just letting these guys know about it too. You know, next Monday, bro. Yeah. Today is the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. The 8th. The 8th. So funny. The 8th. Okay. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So the 12th. So by the 12th, we should have that 2,700 by the 12th. And I do mean by the 12th. So I've already set the alarms on my phone to go off 16 minutes intervals, which means I want to see the last 4 minutes of the 20-minute trade for 6 hours. So it's 6 hours. 3 times 6 is 18. So you're basically making that 450 a day by taking that 15 times 8. Because we're not coming in for anything less than 93. We're not buying nothing less than 93. Rich get richer and the poor don't get a darn thing. Well, guess what? You can flip that script right now. The rich get richer and the poor catching up because they're paying attention. So what have I done? I've done the research. Birds. I've done the research. Now we got to make the money. That's it. Mr. Che, how you doing?
Hey,
all right. Slow motion, man. I'm trying to make it, baby.
You make it.
Hey, I'm getting it in, man. I'm trying to get to 450 a day. I'm trying. I'm doing my best. Yeah, everybody know I trade. Ain't no shame in my game. Yeah. I make 450 a day. 450 a day. I'm trying to get there. Hey. So, ain't no guarantees on it. But like I say, 450 a day. Minimum 250 a day. Minimum 250 a day. 450 a day. Maximum. Minimum 250 a day. I'm willing to take 250 a day. 450 a day is what my goal is. But 250, I'll take that 250 a day. That's still $1,000 a week, you know? 52 weeks in a year. That's 52,000. Minus 41%, you know? We back in our shop again getting materials for the guys. This how we do. We all work together, you know. They was the contractors. I used to turn the houses. But the company said, forget me. And moved up to the big boys. I was turning them as fast as I could, though. I was moving as fast as I could. Need that. Okay, so look, we done enough. 450 a day. We starting on the 8th. By the 12th, we got 2,700. I'll let y'all know.